Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix you cannot play online multiplayer because of how your Microsoft account is set up in your Minecraft. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first step that you'll need to do is to log in into your Microsoft account at the xbox.com. So just go ahead and do that, and once signed in, just click into your profile picture in the upper right corner and then just select the Xbox profile. So in the Xbox profile, just click into the privacy settings, and in the privacy and online safety, just click this section right here that says Xbox Series XS or the Xbox One Windows 10 only see online safety. So here's the part right here. And after that, just scroll down and look for the you can join multiplayer games. So this option, after you see this option right here, just click allow to enable it. And after clicking to allow, just click the submit button at the very bottom part of the screen to save the settings. And after that, just relaunch the game and check if you can now play the multiplayer. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.